G'day legends, welcome back to the channel. Today's a ride day. Thanks for coming along. Thank you for all the comments in the last series of the videos. That was good fun actually. And today we're kind of out and about in the Wattigans, just off Martinville Road. I'm going to try and put a map up this time. I grabbed something to eat from Oak. There's an Oak Dairy, which do a pretty good double bacon and egg toasted samo, which I sat in the back of the jacket to get up here. So that's pretty good. But what I thought I might do today, it's a bit of a funny one. It's like 11:30, so I'm only starting and it's 11:30. I'm already out here. It was an awesome ride out, and it's a beautiful day for it. But the goal here is to go from the Wattigans National Park. Now we're going to try and get through down to Murray's Run to Laguna, down to the Great Northern Trading Post, and then from there I want to try and do the Finchley Trail and get up to the Finchley Lookout. So I've got the drone with me. Pretty soon going to have a full belly. Whack the GoPro on the helmet, pending if that works or not today, because you know what it's like with GoPro, completely unreliable. The twin's going well and feeling pretty good. So it's been a busy week and I just want to be able to get out and about, go for a ride. We're out solo today in an absolutely stunning location. So stick around for it. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget, if you like this kind of stuff, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and see what trouble we get ourselves into today, yeah? So guys, as you can see, the GoPro completely failed once again. Now it doesn't fail throughout the whole video, but it certainly isn't the best. So I am working on it. The microphone, for those gurus that know all about audio with motovlogging, I am actually using a Rode lavalier mic. And for some reason today, it just did not play the game. Pretty much the same as another ride that I've done that I'm yet to edit, and I will get that up there in due course. Anyhow, so here we are. We're out, left the Pines picnic area after a nice bite to eat, and had a run out through the Wattigans. The map, which I'll show here, shows pretty much the general route, but you can actually Google it, and I'll leave all the areas and places that I kind of went to down below. Check that out for sure. But this was certainly a trip that I will not forget anytime soon. It certainly went well and truly above my comfort zone. And you'll see further on the video. Now, it doesn't look like much. There is a consistent steep downhill run. It was slippery, it was rocky. And of course, you know what I'm like. I've got no idea with what I'm doing when it comes to the off-road bike stuff. So sit back and enjoy this one, grab a drink, and certainly put your comments below. If you do like this kind of stuff, would love you if you could subscribe, like the video, share it around as well, and why don't we get into it. Beautiful scenery, as you can see right here. It is downhill, it's very steep on the right hand side. Enjoy this, let's catch up on the ride. This is interesting. It's starting to fog up here, so I might have to lift this sucker up and just see where we go. It's not too bad coming down, but if I have to turn around down the bottom, that could be an interesting challenge in itself. Oh, I think I'm committed now. Long way down there, isn't it? Dang. Let's get away from the gnarly edge. Yep. Cool. I think my mind's off on riding now. That's it. We're into it. Steer with your feet, dude. Steer with your feet. Okay. Let's get some pace. Oh, look at these rocks. Hang on a minute. That's beautiful. That's massive. How awesome is this? I suppose the advantage of so many four drives out here at the moment is the roads are a little more stable in a way.
Still concerned about the mud and the slippery and the crap like this. And I feel like I'm going a little, oh shit. Shit. Okay. If it's like this down here, what's it going to be like down there? Need to make a decision. There's been a lot of water up here. Alright, we're through the mud. But let's see how we go. Caution level's right up now. That was firm, but I'm just concerned about the mud. Oh, shut up, Brett man. Dude, just ride. Pick the line, ride. That's a wicked view down there though. It's so steep, and there's a lot of this going on. God, I hope I don't come across a tree that's down over the road. That will really ruin my day. Nice to use the Twin for its intended purpose, with some touring and a bit of off-road. Alright, I do not have mud shoes for this, and I think I've got a fair way to go. So at this stage I'm starting to think I've bitten off a little bit more than I can chew. Dude, what were you thinking? Oh wow, another one. I really don't want to have to go back through some of this stuff. Whoa! So there's going to be a bit of this around as well. Good to see that either State Forest, National Parks, whoever they are, have been through here to kind of clear this up. Look at that, that's a massive landslide. Oh, a landslip down there, that's bad. Bit nervous being so close to the edge here with the potential for more landslips after the rain. Okay, so you can tell that I'm really not comfortable being where I am right now, and I'm okay admitting that. Slippery as shit. Yeah, not overly happy with where I am. Won't be doing this again in a hurry. So the old get there rightus has kicked in, and the thought of going back into that stuff has also kicked in, so I'm really not keen to do that. Well, thanks for joining me on probably one of the most uncomfortable solo trips I've endured. It's getting more and more wet as we head down here. Is that a property? someone's private property in there. That's insane. And I'm seeing a sign. Does that mean I'm near civilization? Have I survived the first half? God, I hope so. What sign is it? A freaking notice. Oh, that's quite nice too. Look at that. Now you gotta watch these. These get slippery. All I've got in my head is Warren going, go, go, go! Thanks, Woz. Legend. Woo. Oh, getting some air in here is really good. Wow, that was a challenge. Alright. Let's see what this leads. I think this is Murray's Run, I think. I don't know. Wadigan Creek Road. No, there you go. Look at that beautiful scenery. And I don't know if I've got more of that stuff to come. Well guys, that was the most challenging thing I've ever done so far on the Twin. I'm a little bit amped up after that. I think what I'll do is we might carry this on in the next video. If you like this kind of stuff and you'd like to see me absolutely pack my Daks and get myself well outside of the comfort zone, thanks Dave Goggins. Yep, stop living inside the comfort zone. Here in your bud. If you want to see more of that, subscribe to the channel. Give us a like and a thumbs up for the video. Put your comments down below, and maybe next time you can jump in the seat with me and we'll do it all over again in the next run. Thanks so much for sticking around, guys. You are legends. I keep saying it and I do mean it. I couldn't thank you enough for what's been... Ooh, is that a snake? No, it's a stick. God damn you, it's a snake stick. Alright guys, I'm gonna get out of here. I've shipped myself enough for one day. Thank you so much. Stick around for the next video. Make sure you hit that notification bell, and let's try not to fall off the bike in wet, slippery, muddy, hilly, rocky crap. Hooroo for now.